Did you know? A bad solder joint can ruin an entire circuit, even in high-tech devices like spacecraft. Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the world of engineering? Let's get started. Welcome to our ultimate guide on soldering electronics. It's not just about joining wires, it's the foundation of reliable circuits that power everything from everyday gadgets to advanced technology. In this video, we'll cover essential tools, step-by-step techniques, and common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you'll feel confident in creating strong, durable connections. So, grab your soldering iron, and let's jump in. Step 1. Gather the right tools and materials. Before you start, you need the right equipment. A high-quality soldering iron is key for melting solder wire. Use rosin core solder for better adhesion and keep wire cutters nearby to trim excess wire. Protect your workspace with a soldering mat to prevent heat damage. Safety first. Wear safety goggles to protect your eyes and use a fume extractor to remove harmful fumes. With these essentials, you're ready for successful soldering. Step 2. Set up your workspace. A well-organized workspace makes all the difference. Ensure your area is clean, well-lit, and clutter-free to avoid distractions and accidents. Use an anti-static mat to protect sensitive components from static damage. Keep your tools within easy reach to maintain workflow efficiency. A properly set up workspace means smoother, more precise soldering. Step 3. Understand the circuit board and components. To solder effectively, you must understand the components and circuit layout. Key parts include resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits, ICs, each serving a critical function. Learn to read a circuit diagram to connect components correctly. Watch out for polarity-sensitive components like diodes and electrolytic capacitors. Placing them incorrectly can lead to failure. Mastering these fundamentals is essential for functional circuits. Step 4. Heat and prepare the soldering iron. Now, let's get your soldering iron. Plug it in and let it heat up to 350 degrees Celsius, 662 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting, clean the tip with a damp sponge to improve heat transfer. Next, tin the tip by applying a small amount of solder. This enhances heat conduction and makes soldering smoother. With a properly prepared soldering iron, you're ready for strong, professional joints. Step 5. Solder components to the circuit board. Now comes the real action. Place the soldering iron on the joint where the component lead meets the board pad. This ensures even heating. Feed solder into the joint and let it flow naturally, forming a shiny, cone-shaped connection, a sign of a strong bond. Remove the solder first, then lift the iron. Avoid moving the joint while cooling to prevent weak connections. Step 6. Inspect and test your solder joints. After soldering, carefully inspect your work. Look for cold joints, which appear dull or uneven, and solder bridges that could cause short circuits. Use a multimeter to check continuity and ensure all connections are solid. Finally, trim excess leads and tidy up your workspace. A clean, well-soldered circuit means better performance and reliability. Conclusion. Key takeaways. We've covered everything from choosing the right tools to testing your final connections. Mastering these techniques ensures strong, long-lasting circuits for your projects. Practice makes perfect. The more you solder, the better you'll get. That's it for today. Stay tuned to TechBlueprint for more clear and practical engineering content. See you in the next video.